सो बॉयज, हम लोगों की क्लास है आज होगी आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क। ठीक है, फर्स्ट यू नो व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क। आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क इज बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन न्यूरॉन्स बेसिस। Neurons work as like in a human brain. This concept of neurons is generated from human brain. This neural network concept is basis on the human brain. As like a human brain have a capability first learning concept, decision making concept, and memorization concept. By the help of speech and hearing. These two yards give a concept of neurons. Neurons create a help to develop a neural network system. These neurons are plotted in this neural network system as a hidden layers. If we select inputs as a node, then these nodes are connected by a case at a point, junction point, at a junction point. This junction point is also known as summation point. And this summation point generate activation function. By the help of activation function, we calculate the progress of neural network system. And finally, we calculate the output of neural network system for neurons. These neurons work as a hidden layers. Neurons work in an input layer and work in an output layer. Neurons give a relationship with input nodes for calculate the weight of inputs. Neurons also have two types of property. First one is calculate input weight and second one is bias. Bias is also a part of neural network system and very similar to neurons. It manages the outputs. It manages the outputs. It means neurons have two properties. First, balance the input symbols or input values, and second, manage the output functions. What will be the output functions? Output functions calculated by bias progress report. Bias progression. If bias is a constant, then output will be normal, because bias is a type of error. Bias is a type of error. These errors reduce the output flexibility of the work. In this neural network system, we use activation function. This activation function map the group of different types or different format of activation. First, sigmoid. Second, 10H, and third one is the real or rectified linear unit. These activation functions decide the decision boundary for neurons to find a best output.